Hey everyone, it's Carrie. So I wanted to just come by and share with you a few of the products that I've been using lately. I'm not really a product junkie, so I don't have like a whole army of products to share with you. This video is going to be pretty short, but I did want to just share with you and update you on what I'm using lately. I am interested in trying new products, so if you guys are in love with a certain product or you believe I should try it, definitely leave it in the comments section below. So the first thing is my shampoo. I'm not really fussy when it comes to shampoo. I don't use shampoo very often. I use it once a week. Right now I'm using Tresemme's Flawless Curls, and it does what it needs to do. It cleanses my hair. It doesn't really strip my hair too badly, so I'm happy about that. For my leave-in conditioner, I'm currently using Ion's leave-in conditioner, and if you've been following me for a while, you guys know I was obsessed with Giovanni's leave-in conditioner, and I haven't used that in years, so there's no particular reason, but this leaves my hair nice and soft and manageable, so I've been using this currently. For my regular conditioner, that's what I really put a lot of effort into, and that's what I really stock up on because I use a lot of conditioner, especially when I'm co-washing my hair multiple times a week. I use a lot of conditioner, so for me, this is my favorite conditioner ever. I've been using this for years. It's Herbal Essence Hello Hydration. And when I say that this is my staple conditioner, I'm serious. I love it so much. It gives my hair a great slip, so when I'm detangling it, the comb slips right through my hair. It smells great. It really helps to hydrate my curls, and it keeps it nice and bouncy and full and luscious. I love how this conditioner works on my hair. I'm praying that they do not discontinue this conditioner because I love it, love it, love it so much. Another conditioner that I use is Tresemme's Flawless Curl conditioner, and it leaves my hair feeling nice. It doesn't have as much slip as the Hello Hydration, but my hair still likes it. It does leave my hair feeling good. I also stock up on these really inexpensive conditioners. When I say inexpensive, I mean like they're like $1 and change for this one. This is Suave's Wild Cherry Blossom conditioner, and this is VO5's Moisture Milk. This one is in Strawberries and Cream. This one is Daily Defense Argan Oil conditioner. And the reason why I stock up on those really cheap ones is because I actually use them for my deep conditioning. And I'm not going to be talking about a deep conditioner in this video because I'm actually going to do a dedicated video to my homemade deep conditioning concoction. Now for my styling products, I have quite a few styling products, but the main styling product that I cannot get enough of is Eco Styler Gel. So this has been a staple for me for years. It just works really great on my hair. I love this gel very much. So another styling product that I use is Cream of Nature's Moisture Rich Hair Butter. And I like this product because I use it to do like twist outs. That's what it looks like. I just use it to do twist outs, and it leaves my hair feeling nice. This is another thing that I use, Argan Oil's hair butter, Argan Oil Morocco hair butter. This bad boy leaves my hair really nice and soft. So this is great for twist outs, braid outs, whenever you're doing your protective styles. It's also a cream. You can leave it in or you can wash it out. I leave it in, but it really lets my hair feel nice and soft. I still use Shea Moisture's Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I still love this product. Most of you guys already know this thing smells amazing. I use this underneath my gels, especially when I'm doing wash and goes. I always, well, not always, I don't want to say always, but majority of the time, this is what I put on before I use my gel to do my wash and go. And it's worked well for years for my hair, so I still love this product. I actually recently started using this one, and it's Beautiful Textures Curl Definer. It's their styling custard. I like this product if I'm doing like twists on my hair or braids on my hair, because it leaves my hair nice and moisturized. Now, if I'm using it to do a simple wash and go, I don't like it for my hair because it doesn't really leave my hair nice and shiny the way that Eco Styler Gel will leave my hair. So I don't like this product for a wash and go, but I definitely like it for if I'm doing twists or braids. The oils that I use for my hair, I love olive oil, so this is my staple oil. I also use this Argan Oil of Morocco, so I also like this oil. It's really, really great. But my staple oil of choice is olive oil, and I use that just to seal in the moisture in my hair. So if I'm using a cream-based product, or if I'm just spraying water on my hair, I usually go over it with olive oil, and it just locks the moisture in. Another oil that I use is Jamaican black castor oil, and this is great for your edges. Your edges are really, really fragile. So I use this Shea Moisture Jamaican black castor oil strengthen, grow, and restore edge treatment with shea butter, peppermint, and keratin. This, it smells amazing, and it's like a gelatin, it's like a custard consistency, but it smells really good. I use this on my edges, and I also use the Jamaican mango and lime black castor oil. So these two together I use on my edges. As an edge control, I'll use the olive oil or S edge control, and it's okay. I've used other edge controls. I always come back to this one for some reason. Let me know what kind of edge controls you guys use down in the comment section below. I'm interested in trying a new one. It holds my edges fairly well, so I always come back to this one. I rarely straighten my hair, but when I do, I use this Icy Fantasia heat protector. I put it on before I blow dry, and I put it on before I flat iron my hair. So a little goes a long way. This can let your hair feel greasy and weighed down, so just keep that in mind. But this is the heat protector that I use on my hair. So yeah, that's about it. I'm not a crazy product junkie, like I said before, so this was a fairly quick video. I hope you guys saw some things that you're interested in trying. Alright, so that's about it. I know a few of you guys were waiting for this video. You wanted to see an updated products video from me, and here it is. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thanks a lot for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook for more frequent updates. And if you want to see more videos from me, click the link below. Talk to you guys later. Bye.